Social distancing. Well, not today because this is my SociJam 2.0 review, demo, and $3,497 bonus for you guys. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is my SociJam 2 review. Now this is not a brand new piece of software, but a 2.0 version of the software that was released a couple of years ago, and it essentially turns your social media posts, mainly Facebook, but with the upsells they have other options as well, into commission attracting magnets. Okay, makes your post look amazing. It brings attention. It allows you to add a bunch of additional things you are not able to do normally just with Facebook. So you can generate more traffic, more leads, more sales super easily, and it works in under a minute. So let me share my screen and let's jump into this SociJam 2.0 review. And even before I'm going to show you the sales page, I am here in my Art of Marketing Academy group. You should join if you didn't join yet. So normally what Facebook allows you to do is just posts like this. Okay, so boring normal text and you cannot really add a clickable link unless it is a URL. Okay, so every single marketer out there uses the same exact posts, so all posts look the same. Okay, so even with these with this new format, you still have the same background. So essentially, if any marketer is promoting anything out there, essentially it always looks the same. So what you can do is just type in a little bit of text, then add your URL, and that's it. Now what SociJam allows you to do is add a bunch of additional amazing features so your posts look amazing, and in a second I'm going to show an example. But essentially you can add HTML to your post. You can make the text look bold, italic, you can underline the text, and you can actually create a clickable URL. And that's the most amazing thing. Instead of just have URLs looking like this, you can have clickable phrases, which is much more amazing. And again, no one else does this because normally people have, including me, boring posts looking like this, and everyone is doing the same exact thing. That's why you will stand out and attract more commissions and sales. Now this is the sales page for SociJam 2.0. As you can see, this is Cindy. This is the gal behind this product. I actually met her in person a couple of years ago. Amazing lady. So as you can see, it says breakthrough software turns free traffic into the easiest way to profit with Facebook. Secret 1-minute trick to turning your basic Facebook posts into profits. Obviously you can watch this video, and in a second I'm going to show you a little demo. Okay, so 4 steps. Some testimonials right here, and I think they have my testimonial as well because I was one of the early users. So these guys have a demo right here. Now I'm going to have the same demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel as always, and I'm actually going to do a little demo for you right here in this video as well. There it is, that's my testimonial. So again, I was one of the early users for this 2 years back. So as you can see, take a look at the difference. On the left, just simple text. That's what everyone has. After, you can do, again, bold, italic. You can underline the text. You can do HTML. You can do a bunch of different things. This just looks much, much better. And again, with the clickable links, you can't lose. Obviously, going to be making a ton of money with this. And the cool thing is that you are getting free levels of training for this. Okay, so you're getting basic training, advanced training, and extreme training. All of this training is on how to make money with SociJam and on Facebook. So amazing. Even if you are a total newbie, you will be able to pick this up and make money with this straight away. Okay, so again, 4 simple steps. And by the way, you can even use this for your Facebook ads. So when you're creating your Facebook ads, obviously all Facebook ads look the same. With SociJam, you can apply this to Facebook ads, to interactive polls, to stories, to offer ads, to video call to action, a bunch of different things. Okay, and obviously this works with all the major browsers again. So again, I'm going to show you the demo in a second. More testimonials and a 30 days money back guarantee. That's essentially it. $17 as you can see, but we'll talk about the pricing in a second. That's essentially it, and the inside of the members area looks like this. So as you can see, 3 simple steps: create it, jam it, publish it. Okay, so Let's do it right now. Let me show you exactly how this works. So let me just type in some text. So obviously you can create posts from scratch, or you can, you know, copy and paste some text from some other place. So let me just type in some random text here in bold and italic and underline. Okay, so as you can see, this is what your text would look like normally. Now, as you can see, we can select it and make it bold. We can select this and make this italic. We can underline it. And the cool thing is that, let me just underline it. We can obviously, you know, cross it out if we want to. You know, we can do all the usual things like you can do in Word. And the cool thing is that you can actually add emojis. Okay, so right from within the software, you can add a bunch of different emojis, which are amazing for calling attention. Like, I don't know if you are on my email list, but I'm using emojis all the time. They are really a big difference maker. Okay, and right now all you have to do is click on next to go to Jam it. Click next again, and as you can see, we will select Facebook right here. So normally what would happen is you would have this post already ready for you, and you would click on post. But because I didn't hook up my Facebook account to SociJam yet, it will not allow me to do it, but that's what would normally happen. As you can see, you have a bunch of additional social media platforms right here. Now, these are platforms that will be unlocked in the first OTO for you. Okay, so with the main SociJam 2.0 software, you're getting Facebook and all the other ones in OTO 1, but we will talk about OTOs in a second. Okay, so that's essentially it. 3 simple steps. As you can see, there's not much more to it than what I just showed you, but the difference is huge. You will just call so much more attention, and obviously you are getting all the video training included with this. So let me show you this here first. So as you can see on the left right here, we have the product and training videos. We have basic, pro and extreme, and you're also going to get a Facebook relevance course, success mastermind Facebook group that you can access, and a bonus genius mindset course. Okay, so in the basic section, as you can see, we have the basic training. So we have 4 trainings on essentially a welcome video, how to insert emojis, how to publish to Facebook, and how to create clickable links. Okay, then we have advanced training, link sharing and social jamming, sharing HTML source code, super powerful, tidy and clean HTML magically, jamming with Google Plus, and also Google Docs and Twitter. Okay, so that's the advanced videos. And lastly, we have the extreme. We have a couple videos right here on using this piece of software to the extreme and really turning this into tons of cash. Okay, so guys, this is a super simple tool, simple to use, but it's super powerful when it comes to actually results, because this is a big difference maker. And again, no one really does this. That's why you will be standing out. If you're using Facebook for traffic, you see how powerful this is. If you're not using Facebook for traffic, you should, because this is where the audience is. Okay, so you know, when it comes to Facebook, older people use Facebook. By older, I mean 30 plus like me. Okay, so there are no kids, you know, no teenagers on there that would just, you know, click on your links and not buy anything. This is an older audience that actually buys, and this is where they hang out. So Facebook is amazing for traffic for any niche, really. So that's the inside of the members area. As you can see, everything that I just showed you will be included in the main product. Now let's check out all of the upsells. So as I mentioned, SociJam 2.0 will be $17. That's the early bird discount, and $27 after the launch. SociJam Pro is the OTO number 1, and this is, as you can see, you're gonna unlock access to 30 plus added compatible services from Skype to YouTube, plus many more. Okay, so remember what I showed you right here, all of these tools. So we have Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Blogger, Skype, Reddit, Pinterest, you know, all of these additional platforms. You can use SociJam for them too, and that's OTO number 1, $27 and $37 after the launch. OTO number 2, we have SociJam Extreme for $27, and as you can see, this is access to a Rolodex of swipe files, templates, and resources to get done. So essentially, you can just copy and paste ready for you posts and just swipe them. So saves you a ton of time. $27 OTO number 2. SociJam 2.0 agency is what you're going to get as OTO number 3, $97, and this allows people to create user accounts for your staff or your clients, so you can actually charge people money for using SociJam, and you can just give them a separate password. And last up we got SociJam 2.0 reseller, $197, and this allows you to sell the entire SociJam 2.0 funnel and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. So if you are an affiliate, or maybe if you want to promote this on Facebook as your first promotion and keep 100% of the profits versus 50% is what affiliates are getting, then a reseller is a great thing as well. So these are all of the OTOs right now. Let's check out my fully written review and bonuses. Now guys, as always, I have a full written review. This will include the funnel, and this will obviously include my bonuses. And I'm not joking when I'm saying that I have the biggest bonus package to it as an affiliate. It's worth $3,500. Okay, so this is exactly what you're getting. And if you want to get all of these bonuses for free, all you have to do is just pick up SociJam 2.0 through my link. Okay guys, and to do it, just click on one of these blue links right here from my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, click on the first link in the description, and the second link in the description will take you to my blog. Now, first of all, I'm going to give you Facebook ads domination video course. Now, obviously, SociJam works perfectly with Facebook. This is how to dominate Facebook with ads, and I'm also going to give you Facebook's template video course. So this is a 20-part Facebook marketing how-to training course. So how to use groups, how to use pages, how to use your own profile, everything is inside. And thirdly, I'm going to give you Social Marketing Advantage ebook. Okay, so this is about social media and not just Facebook. Now, I'm going to give you a bunch of additional W's of the Day awarded courses: Fiverr Income Secrets, Fiverr Masterclass, Riser, Newbie Traffic Formula, Flip Me Income Booster, Reseller's License to Flip Me, Urgent Arbitrage Cash, Easy Arbitrage Profits, Blaze, that's my own case study on free Facebook traffic, Tube Traffic Avalanche, case study on free traffic, that's a second case study on Facebook traffic, and a bunch of additional plugins and softwares. Okay, so all of these are plugins and software products. Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, Shortcode Call to Action, Authority Traffic Masters, Facebook Live Reaction, Azon Press, FaceZone, VidBuilder, Press Play, Image and Video Commenter, Social Auto Poster, Slick Pop, VidBot, Traffic Tidal Wave, Explosive Video Marketing Made Easy, Top Email Marketer Secrets, Money Method, AdSense Marketing Cash Flow, Image Sharing Profits, Creating Info Products, Instant 2 cents Traffic, Terrific Tube Traffic, Gaining Facebook Traffic, Automated Traffic Bot, Viral Traffic Ninja, Niche Site Profits Pack, Passive Profits, White Label Profit Plan, and YouTube Cash, as well as Video Page Creator. Now guys, that's a total of 51 bonuses, but I'm not done, because as always, you're getting my mega bonus. And my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. My mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and this will bring it up to a total of $3,497. So again, this is the biggest bonus package to SociJam 2.0, I guarantee you. Now, some people might have like a bigger number because they just invented it out of thin air. This is the real world value. Like if you would go out there and actually bought all of these bonuses, you would have to spend $3,500. Okay, so these are again software products, W's of the Day awarded products, software plugins. Okay, so this is the real deal, not some PLR crap. Not some PLR PDFs that you can get somewhere for like $1 or $2. Okay, so guys, that's my bonus, and as you can see, as always, I have a full written review right here on my blog, so you can check it out as well. And this will include this little sum up right here. So just to sum up the SociJam 2.0 review, this is an easy profit strategy completed with a software and training. Okay, so you're getting everything, works on posts, feature posts, groups, comments, and even Facebook ads. 100% Facebook compliant, that's very, very important. Nothing to install, setup, or host. So this is a cloud app, works on all major browsers, no design skills or coding needed. As you can see, 3 simple steps and you're done. and copy and paste easy and newbie friendly. Now, what I don't like about SociJam 2.0, the only thing that I could think about is that you are using Facebook. Okay, so if you're not buying audio number one, it's essentially just for Facebook, and Facebook is an older audience. But with that being said, an older audience is amazing if you're selling something, because these are the people with the money, right? So it can be something negative, it can be something positive, but again, with audio number one, you're getting additional platforms like YouTube, like Instagram, like LinkedIn, like Pinterest, so all of the other relevant social media platforms. Guys, again, check out all of my bonuses. You can go through them if you will end up right here on my blog post. And before you go, let me show you how to claim my bonus after you will decide to pick up SociJam 2.0 through my link. All you have to do is go to your purchase history right here on JBZoo. So you will find SociJam 2.0 amongst your purchases. Click on the view details button, and then below the button that says click to access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. That's how we get it. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. It's all done for you automatically. And again, guys, I really like this because I'm actually using Facebook for traffic. I know it works. I know that this is where the money is, and you can turn your posts into amazing looking traffic and commission magnets. So guys, if you have any questions, as always, please leave me a comment. Please like this video on YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel for more review videos just like this one, and I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next video, and stay safe. Ciao.